guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we decided to come out to Bitsoma Lake here in Oklahoma. Wanted to do a quick walk around of our 2006 C6 Corvette. It was a copart rebuild. It took quite a bit of side damage to the front fender, the door, the back, the hood. It got swiped pretty well. We picked it up probably 6 months ago. It was my first ever copart rebuild. This car has been 100% restored, complete. It is perfect. Wanted to bring you guys out here. Me and my fiance, we were going to walk around, show you kind of what we've done to the car, show you the inside and out, because it's going to be in a lot more videos coming your way.
So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what all was damaged on the car. Alright, so there was some paint cracking on the front bumper. The brackets for the headlight were broken, so we had to go ahead and replace that. The outer and inner fender were damaged, and then the mirror and the door were damaged.
Alright guys, so we are debating replacing these wheels with either aftermarket wheels or having these powder coated black. We are seriously debating going with the LED versions of these taillights. We are wanting to do an aftermarket exhaust, so if you have any suggestions of what we should do, please let us know down in the comments. The only other real thing that this still needs is the driver window does need to be tinted, and I may do that myself or take it to a shop. Interior is in fairly good condition other than the rip in the driver's seat. It's an automatic, has an aftermarket radio, has about 130,000 miles on it, so it is a little high, but overall the car's in really great condition. Alright guys, so it does have the LS2 in it. Engine is super clean. When I replaced the headlight and the inner fender, I did have to glue the inner fender back in, but all of the body lines lined up. Guys, so we decided to pull off. We found this super awesome spot with all the trees. There's a big hill on that side, and Katie does have an Instagram that she is modeling with the Corvette, #VetModel. And so we stopped, we got a few quick photos. You can see her in the background. She looks phenomenal. Go check her out, #VetModel. Guys, so we made it home and the car is filthy after that trip, so we're going to go ahead and wash it. Alright guys, so this is a foam cannon off of eBay for like 25 bucks. We got some really good quality foam in it, and it really makes washing the car a whole lot easier.
Shit! Alright guys, we just washed the car. It's about hella hot out here.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we got the car washed. It's extremely hot here, so we did have some trouble drying the car. But I got some things planned for this evening, and I wanted the car to be clean. So, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming.